Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite Dream Drive here, and we're about to dive into the adventures of supercars. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Knowing basic auto repair is super helpful. It not only saves you from unexpected breakdowns but also gives you a sense of control over your vehicle. It saves money and empowers you. Imagine the satisfaction of fixing a problem yourself and the confidence it brings. You become more self-reliant on the road. No more waiting for help. You can handle minor issues on your own. This guide teaches you easy fixes for common car problems. From changing a tire to checking your oil, we've got you covered. Let's get started with some simple repairs you can handle. These tasks are straightforward and can be done with minimal tools. It's easier than you think. With a little practice, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. We'll break it down step by step so you feel confident. Each repair is explained in detail to make it simple. Let's get your hands dirty and keep your car running smoothly. Regular maintenance is key to a long-lasting vehicle. Knowing how your car works is empowering. It demystifies the machine and makes you a more informed driver. Don't be afraid to learn a new skill. You can do it. Every expert was once a beginner. With a few basic tools in this guide, you're on your way to becoming a DIY mechanic. Let's dive in and start learning. Let's talk about common car problems. First up, flat tires. It happens to everyone at some point, and it can be a real hassle if you're not prepared. You'll need a spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. These tools are essential and should always be in your car. Find a safe, level spot to park. Make sure to turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Loosen the lug nuts before jacking up the car. Once the car is elevated, remove the flat tire and put on the spare. Lower the car and tighten the lug nuts securely. Next, let's talk about a dead battery. It's a pain, but jump-starting is easy if you know the steps. A dead battery can leave you stranded, but with the right tools, you can be back on the road quickly. You'll need jumper cables and another car with a working battery. Always keep a set of jumper cables in your trunk. Connect the red cable to the positive terminals of both batteries. This is crucial for the jump-start process. Connect the black cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. This step is just as important. Then connect the other end of the black cable to a metal part on your car's frame. This grounds the connection. Start the good car first, then try starting your car. If done correctly, your car should start. Finally, let's discuss an oil change. Regular oil changes are crucial for your engine's health and longevity. Gather oil, an oil filter, a wrench, and a container. These are the basic tools you'll need. Run the engine for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Warm oil drains more easily. Locate the oil drain plug under your car. This is where the old oil will drain out. Place the container underneath and unscrew the plug. Be careful, as the oil might be hot. Let the oil drain completely. This might take a few minutes. Replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent leaks. Remove the old oil filter and screw on the new one. Make sure it's tight but not overly so. Pour in the new oil according to your car's manual. The right amount is crucial. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick to ensure it's correct. And there you have it, some quick fixes for common car troubles. Having the right tools makes repairs smoother. Here's a list of must-haves for your DIY toolkit. Screwdriver set, for various screw sizes and types. Wrench set, for loosening and tightening nuts and bolts. Pliers, for gripping, holding, and cutting. Socket set, for removing and installing nuts and bolts in tight spaces. Tire pressure gauge, for checking and adjusting tire pressure. Jumper cables, for jump-starting a dead battery. These tools are your best friends when it comes to basic car repairs. Invest in good quality tools that will last. Keep your toolkit organized and easily accessible. Learning basic auto repair is a valuable skill that can benefit you in many ways. It not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment and independence. Remember, safety first, always wear gloves and eye protection, and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid any hazards. Start with simple tasks like checking fluids and changing your air filter. These small steps build your confidence. Gradually, you can move on to more challenging repairs like working on the engine or fixing the brakes. There are tons of resources available online, from videos to forums, to help guide you through each step. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed. Joining a community can provide support and advice. Learning auto repair is a journey, not a destination. Each repair is a step forward. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Every effort you make is progress. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve and the confidence you'll gain from each successful repair. So roll up your sleeves, take charge of your ride, and embrace the rewarding world of car care. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because that's going to serve as the biggest motivation to keep bringing you an amazing video as always.